everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a short review video on this Korean brand. It's called MISSHA. It is actually been around for I think 12 years, and this product here is one of its most popular products. It is the Time Revolution, the first treatment essence RX. And this is the 4th generation in its line, and it's called Ferment Alpha with the trademark. So don't steal its technology. Let's get into what it claims to do. This product is an essence. It's different to a toner. You use this one as your first step in your skincare routine. It's actually in the name. It's called the first treatment for a reason. So you put this on your face in order to boost the hydration in your face. It also claims to brighten your face and gives your face that nice glowing texture in just a few weeks. If you're looking to buy this one on the market, make sure you have a look at the writing in brand. That is because this is the 4th generation for this product line, and each generation has a different name, I guess, a different label. The last version, the 3rd generation, is called Intensive Moisture, and this 4th version claims to deliver twice as much moisture than Intensive Moisture. So it probably wants to make you feel like you're drowning in an ocean. So you're probably wondering what Ferment Alpha actually does. On the website, it says it's actually using a technology where it combines hot and cold fermentation process in order to maximize the absorption of the ingredients into the skin. Okay, so now let's talk about how you should actually use this essence. After cleansing my face, I take a small amount of this product into the palm of my hand, and then I just apply it all over my face, and then just gently pat the essence onto your skin, onto your face, until it is fully absorbed. If you look at the directions on the back of the bottle, it says you can use cotton puff or cotton pad. I don't actually bother with them just because I don't want the cotton pad to absorb any of the essence. Let's get into the 3 things I love about this essence. I use this essence because it actually does boost the hydration level of my skin. I feel like once I put it on, my face is like a lost person on a desert looking for nirvana. It just shrinks this stuff up, and it turns my face into a really nice canvas for the rest of my skincare routine. And also it comes with a really good ingredient list. It has rice extract. It refines your skin texture and makes it more smooth. It also has pearl extracts, which helps to brighten and whiten your skin. I remember when I was young, I used to see my mom buying actual little pearls, and then she would grind it up and then mix it with water and put it on her face. I don't know if they're real pearls, because that would have been really expensive. You don't have to do that because this product contains pearl extracts. It has no smell, and the texture is just like water. So if I just show it to you, see how runny it is? And I just put it on my skin like that. And literally, there's no smell whatsoever, no alcohol, no parabens, no fragrance. So it has a very friendly ingredient list. And I think if you live in tropical areas, this is a very good lightweight essence that you can use. If you don't want to use toner, then you can just put this one on and then your moisturizer or your face oil after that, because it feels really nice, not greasy on the face at all. Now, in terms of the disadvantages, I really can't fault this essence at all. I can't think of anything bad about it. I mean, if you really put a gun to my head, I would just say that the packaging is a little bit slippery if you're using it with wet hands, so be careful. And probably it's not that travel friendly. It's quite heavy because of the translucent glass. If you want to buy this product, you can get it on Nudie Glow for $55 or Yes Style for similar price. I think it's like $52.20. I definitely recommend that you give this one a go because this is actually my second bottle and I really like this because it gives my skin a really nice texture. You can feel it immediately after using it, and I feel comfortable knowing that my skin is in a right status to apply the rest of my skincare products. And I also have read online that this is a really good substitute for the SK2 treatment essence, and that one breaks my bank. I can't afford that. Your girl is POV, so this is the one that I have been using instead. For me, this is my holy grail treatment essence. And out of 10, I give this product a 9. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching again. I hope you guys are keeping safe. And until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye!